welcome back to my channel, and I hope that you all are doing really well. For those of you who are already back in school, I hope you have a great school year, and I hope you had a chance to enjoy your summer as well. So I am so thankful. I'm feeling great today, and I decided I wanted to film a collective haul of some things that have been sitting in a corner of the house for like, I don't even know how long now, but I've been meaning to show them to you guys, so I hope you guys like hauls. I personally love seeing whenever people buy stuff. I just find it so fun. So the first things that I found were at Dollar Tree, and they are just these sequin pillows. And I found 3 different ones. So the first one is this pink, which these are those sequin mermaid type of pillows that you can like go like that. So this is pink and silver. And obviously these aren't a full-sized pillow, it's more of like a smaller throw pillow, but for $1 that's a really good deal, I think. So then I have this turquoise one, which has silver, and I think this looks so frozen-y, it reminds me of Elsa. And then I also have this gold sequin one, which has white. So I'm thinking I'm going to be using these for Christmas because they just look so sparkly and Christmassy. So that was at Dollar Tree. If you guys want any, better go fast because I'm sure they'll sell out quickly. But the next thing that I found was at Walmart, and this was on clearance for 75 cents because it's their after summer stock. So you guys, it is this adorable pink glass cactus shaped glass, and it has a straw with this little flower on the top. And I really enjoy doing food photography, and I want to do a lot more practicing with that. So I've been looking for more like unique type of dishes and glasses. So this is cute, and then I found this at Michael's, which actually matches it really well. It is this cactus plate, and this was 90% off. So I got both of these. I think they match so well together, and they're just really, really pretty. So then at Goodwill I found something, and I'm always keeping my eye open for shabby chic type of stuff. So this is I think it's like a stationery or a letter holder box, and it has these beautiful flowers on it, and this was only 69 cents, so I think that's a really awesome deal, and it's in great condition too, so I was very, very happy to find that. And then I also found this, which I've been looking for like a ceramic unicorn head type of thing, and this is a coin bank, and it's just so beautiful. You can see it has like a rainbow sheen to it and this gold unicorn, so that'll match so perfectly in my room. So every year around fall time, my mom and I rush to the store to look at all of the Christmas ornaments and everything before it gets picked over. And we love looking at Christmas stuff, so we usually find a few ornaments for me to add to my tree every year. I did find some this year, and I'll show you that in just a minute, but I also ended up finding this, which I'm going to be decorating my room as Victorian instead of really colorful, because I have Victorian Christmas stuff that I haven't set up in so many years. I used to have a room that I put it in, and I don't have that room anymore, so I kind of wanted to rotate between the colorful like candy stuff that I usually use and do the Victorian this year. So I ended up finding this beautiful lamppost, which is all gold and glittery and stuff, and it has this little try-me thing that I can light it up so you guys can see. Isn't that gorgeous? And it was a little bit pricey, but I knew that I most likely would never find anything like this again, so I did splurge. It was 40% off though, so that's good. So I found that, and then my mom actually found these, and she's like, oh, you need this too. So I ended up getting this garland, which is kind of all tangled up at the moment, but you'll get the idea. It's just this pink tulle, and then it has some hanging gold sequin ball things, and it's so pretty and Victorian looking. So for the Christmas ornaments, I will show you guys close-up photos of all of these, but the first one that I found that I knew I had to get was this little camera, and it's pink and gold, and I have one other camera ornament that is on the tree in my office, which is silver and peppermint themed, which you guys will see that later on. And then I found this Angelina ballerina, and I don't know if you guys have ever read any of the Angelina ballerina books, but I used to love reading them when I was younger. So she has this little tutu on, and there were a couple of different poses of these, but I really, really liked this one the best. So then I found this tiny little cashy sized, hamster sized cake that is on this pretty plate, and it's just super cute. They had some other little cakes as well, I think, like some chocolate and stuff, but I really liked this one. So then I also found this snow globe, which has a tiny little pink fawn in it with a tree, and it has snow too. I will show you guys the colorful like candy type of decorations now.